And regarding the camp also, we have told them that this was never a permanent camp, but for a long time that camp has been placed out there, and appropriate steps to change that location, the process has started. And the CRPF has also indicated to us in a positive manner that they also would like to get a permanent location. So it's a win-win situation for both sides. So the process has started, and we will be shifting that camp from there after the procedure and process is done. And at the same time, obviously infrastructure also has to be created for the CRPF in the new location wherever they are placed. Regarding the issue of action against the individuals who were involved, we have informed all the members that a judicial inquiry has been set up. And this judicial inquiry will look into all the details of this particular incident that took place on 13th. And we have asked the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission chairperson, Justice Vaipai, to head this judicial inquiry. So therefore, him being the chairman of the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission and also being the chairperson of this inquiry committee, it will be serving both the purposes from the human rights aspect and also ensuring that this judicial inquiry is given complete freedom and independence and full power to look into all aspects of this particular case. And based on that, we have also mentioned and informed all the members that only once the reports come into us, only when we find out the details, only then will it be able to identify who were responsible for what action, and only then will it be possible for us to take action in terms of suspension or any other kind of extreme order or action that has to be taken. And that the government is committed to doing that. But once the judicial inquiry report comes in, giving us all details of the case. Apart from that, they also mentioned about different actions being taken. So we will look into that aspect. We told them that the government will examine all options and the government will take a call. So we have asked them to leave that to the wisdom of the government. But as I said, that the judicial inquiry has been set up, and we are confident that very soon the report will come. And based on that report, we will take necessary action. Apart from that, they have also mentioned about the fact that in the future, these kind of raids or this kind of operations should be done in close coordination with also the headmen. So we've informed all of them that yes, accordingly, appropriate procedures will always be followed, and in the future also we will ensure that more steps are taken in order to take people into confidence in such cases in the future also. And then at the end, we have appealed to the headmen and all the leaders who have come from all different organizations that they must work together with the government, because it is in the large interest of the people of Shillong City and the state as a whole that we have peace, and we should all work together to move forward to ensure that there is peace in the city and in the state.
What was the reaction
Sorry?
on the suspension?
Sorry?
What was the reaction from the leaders from Mulan?
So they have stuck to the point, saying that this is what the demand and the resolution yesterday was passed. So they have expressed again towards the end that they would want suspension, and we have maintained that it is only when we have the report with us which informs us that who is responsible for what, only then action can be taken against the individuals. So that was the reaction.
Have they agreed to be in this peace committee?
No, they have not agreed as of now to be in the peace committee.
Palong bangiwan ban demands naga government hawak kiladan katukat ni keba ngila hun Henry kamin kabangim pat nguhun kadai halor ke suspension ya kitu ki pulut ki badan keti khamtam ya u DSP u SP jang ke East Jaintia Hills SP Shillong City in charge ki bolong ki khmat ki bayalam ya ke team ban lej ban siat yap ya ba serius apa dang ke jeng tiapang te habide bakani kat kum kejing karan jangi bat ki hek sarkar ha kejing lam jeng chief minister ngiladap karan sai bangim hun ya kani haladap him pat ay ka suspension ya gini namar gidi gimin ki badan keti ya kani ka kam te nagaliang ke jongi ngi stick ya kani namar la dala ban self ya kani ka song suk song sign kan wan ha pok sno molai ka song suk song sign kan wan ha pok East Coast Hills bat ha ka rikasi jantia hi brok koi te kani ke dei ke demands ke ba ngimpat hun bat ngi kan penting kana ro hangni ba nagaliang ke jongi ngi ai puar ya ka sarkar sitayo la da kampala ban le ya kani ke benta kemut nagaliang ke jongi ru nginum la ban ong ai ya ki ke bami hadian jong kata tekeni ke ke jing demand ke jongi ke ba bolong concern do ke ba concern do na ke benta kani ke jing ke bangi kendu pok mulai te habi de kani ke benta sa sisi nga penpau japi lemba ki press ba ni ai puar ke government sitayo ban pendap ya kani ke kam namar ba destang kani ke ban penhun bat kan pen siam ya ki pai ba nong sang tong ke mulai namar ba kani ke jing brok khoi mdei bangi ngi mulai sna jing kulmar mdei no mulai ba warak ya benthut ya kini ke song sain dei ke sarkar lembaga police department ke warak ya kini ke jing ba ke salong hadu kat ni jing lembaga jing le jang ke police department lembaga ki kat tu kat ni kilang yong ke lapoi hadu kat ni ke jing ba ke ketak lut ya ke stian barok kawai kini ke dei kawai ke demands ke ba ngibu akhmat jang ke sarkar hoi gitu giwe ki isu ki bangilakaran hoi ki labyang kat tu kat ni hari kani ke dega hakmat do ka ngimpat hun hadu mentah namar kani ke bu jing ya ginang lam senong ke bu jing ya ginang lam sang sama ke bu jing ya ginang lam sang balang namar ba habang man sang suk sang sain kini ke hapsim ni ke jingkit khlie te ke sarkar ke hapsim jingkit khlie hi ke mentah ban mara sang suk sang sain te kani ke dega jing kwa ke jongi na kaliang jongi ke bang la stress paham ne ya u chief minister barok ke besim mentah ke jing kran bitik ya kani ke mentah namar ditang kani ke pelan pun umur ya ginang mulai
te ha kaju kapor usiam haba u ajingkran na kaliang kajung ula panpor pan nangi lai banai ula ong pan aipor ba kandon ka inquiry hapo lai banai ba ngin sayo ban simpat ya kirai ban le ei habi dei kini kibudan keti tengi ngilakaran mana 3 months for 3 minute shoot ngila ong mo 3 months for 3 minute shoot okay ai ba kata inquiry kan yat in their own course henry ngipat ngikwa ba kani kakam kadai ban penstat no na kalian ke sarkar ba kadai ban suspend no buat shwa ya kini ki brio ki pulit ki badang keti ki ba peniap i ba sia katu kesengi haka khalai terik
hoi kilai thu bai kini ka judicial inquiry kila da ban thung bat ya kani en head lingba dau chairman jongka MHRC ya kani ngila long welcome na keleng jongi hari ka benta ka baar ha ka bang layo ban ikuran khamsani bha kalong na ka benta kani ka jing suspend deputy CM maneu la kran ba ailat ba ka jing kit kan ya chakmat bat ngin sa ya kran ni kita tingi ngi ko ban kli ha ka kendon an ka bakumno andau wat probisho ba ya ubreu menta ha balalap ba ulah peniam ailat iu ba unli chaka service ailat iu ba unia charum chaneng penlong jing kit bat sakem yu ngi ko ban kli ya ka government ha ka kendon an ka bakumno ka IPC ka bakumno la peniap la lot ya une unong peniap le ni ya kini kinong peniap ya upa Chesterfield ha ka tu step jong ka khalai trek tinga ko aru ban ong ba ha ka jing sisya nagaleng jongi ngi kwa ya kata ka independent inquiry yang ni ka judicial inquiry ka ba khoj ba ya runti ngi suthu ba kumbalong menta lada hapok ka sang usop udang don ka bumut barok nya pud lang tingi ngi dawa om barok khoj kitu ki policeman ki balej ban rate ya ka yeng jong liet Chesterfield henry ya arngut kata kemur SP jong East Chanchahel bat yo SP ba shim charge ya ka Shillong City kini arngut dai ban suspend mordor bat ndaladap suspend kondong inquiry kan ya khoj ya renti bat daladap ya ke inquiry ladalap bakidon kti omdai tang ba lapen stom itu terminate sendon nakakam wen sendon iki nakakam namar baki diginong penyak beliau belikan ankan ya siliang keman kumbangilai i kayak wud mana kani kalau apply ya ki police apo mau kena post de menta de ban apply wud ya ki nehi ki ju beliau tenang leng jongi ngilakren ro yu menai wat yau CM henry sumla lajang ngilakeli ngel hatu ni kabdei ka fellow jong intelligence wing ka jong pi ya ki khon kenok bagi digi security Kai ka jing ngilai kran nak leng jongi mana. Na bangla shani hakaju government, leng bangani government lawan rakyat u. Kai ka jing u napok malai kutun masal hang ne pok sekretariat lani hang no ga me je kran. Tikini per khoj ngi su tho par ngi tip kadai ka pre-plan. Ban mother lani ban penyap yau ba cheris. Tengi ngi penpau ka jisu sik thang, ban ngi ban biang si sien. Namar bakat ka ji kran meneki ong ba ngi nam la ban shim we will look this matter. Ngin sa shim ni ka kam hadin ka to ka ni por. Tengi ngi ong ba ma phiru dang pe ni ka kam ngi ru ngin pe. Ka jing pe jongi ka long ba yau upulet lani uniform CRPF lani uniform police ngin nam pat kwa ban i menta hapo kadong than jingi mulai. Lada pila pendikna la suspend ni gini ki arngot ki nong yelamik di operation ngiru ngin pendikna baka song ngan lani bani ngin ya trilengkat biang sesisien. Empat ketrat pulen. Kini kalau ngajing pensai nak leng jongi kom ka kenhun ka som ki nong mulai.